Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day, and this right here is going to be the absolute fastest video you've...
I even put my flash shirt on.
Running 100 miles an hour right now, actually. So I gotta get this done quick because I got something else I gotta go do. You can still see a little bit of green left in here. I'm gonna cut it down a little shorter, spray another app of the Miramichi weed killer on it. So next Saturday is when I'm planning on doing this, the actual renovation, putting the seed in the ground, and so that gives me 1 week after the second application. Man, I'm hoping to goodness that it kills it, because I'm trying to do this with that organic product just to see if it'll actually kill the fescue dead to where it won't come back next year. I'm just going to take my chances and see. And heck, if the fescue comes up in the bluegrass next year, I'll kill it all again and do it over. All right, so listen now, I'll have a Ventrac out next Saturday doing that ground prep work. I'm going to show you a new little attachment I got, and tell you better like, subscribe, and share as fast as you can.
Because if you want to keep up with me in September, you're going to have to.
Check you later.